So I'm asking why we don't spend the days and struggle to survive. That's my fate. Sublime. When the bump makes you think you love to find, when you realize what's wrong with paradise. To get paid, you need to earn it every day. True, you gotta feel the light that shines on you. Sure you will enjoy this view. Letting you feel the front of your soul, and all the stress and pain is start to go. I'll keep going on with a stronger heart. I'll do it on my own. Try, never sucker from head to toe, but try. They'll step on your head and maybe you'll be crucified.